7 Powerful Lessons from the book Master Your Time, Master Your Life by Brian Tracy. 1. Time management is life management. The book emphasizes that effective time management is not just about organizing your schedule, but about managing your entire life for optimal results. It's about aligning your time with your priorities and values. 2. Prioritize ruthlessly. Identify your most important goals and focus your time and energy on achieving them. Learn to say no to distractions and activities that don't contribute to your priorities. Remember, the Pareto Principle: 80% of your results will come from 20% of your activities. 3. Plan your day to win. The book encourages creating a daily schedule that aligns with your priorities and maximizes your productivity. Allocate time for focused work, meetings, rest, and personal activities. Planning your day ensures you don't get caught off guard and allows you to be proactive in achieving your goals. 4. Eliminate time wasters. Recognize and eliminate activities that drain your time and energy but contribute little to your goals. This includes social media, unnecessary meetings, and multitasking. Learn to delegate, automate, or eliminate tasks that don't require your direct attention. 5. Use the power of focus. Train yourself to focus deeply on one task at a time. Eliminate distractions and avoid multitasking. The book suggests implementing techniques like the Pomodoro technique to enhance your focus and avoid burnout. 6. Delegate and leverage. Don't try to do everything yourself. Learn to delegate tasks effectively to others, whether it's colleagues, employees, or even outsourcing services. Freeing up your time allows you to focus on high-priority activities that maximize your value. 7. Continuous improvement is key. The book emphasizes the importance of continuous learning and self-improvement. Invest in your own development through reading, attending workshops, and acquiring new skills. This will help you stay ahead of the curve and increase your productivity over time. Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel Ideas to Inspire for more great ideas and inspirational content. Get the free audiobook today. Use the link in the description to register and start enjoying the complete book now. Thank you.